Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a USA SHEIN account with a virtual number. Firstly, open the App Store, Google Play Store and download the CloudSIM app. Launch the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. In the app, choose a virtual number from the available options. CloudSIM allows you to create up to 4 additional mobile numbers. Now, after you create and get your number, open the SHEIN website or app on your device. During the sign-up process, enter the CloudSIM virtual number in the phone number field. SHEIN will send a verification code to the virtual number. Return to the CloudSIM app and check for the incoming message containing a verification code. Enter it and complete the verification. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Now you have a US SHEIN account. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.